Marge, do you have a few minutes to help me with a process improvement idea?
Of course I do, Peggy. What is it?
I was hoping we could have daily meetings at the end of clinic to identify how we could improve our wait times for patients.
Good idea, Peggy. You should have daily meetings. I see the nursing staff standing around half the time chatting it up.
Well, Marge, I was hoping you could help me with this idea if you think it would help.
Of course I can help. You should schedule a meeting and I will put the hammer down on the nurses that just do not get it.
Marge,
Peggy. What do you want me to do? I said I would help you.
I appreciate you offering to help. Let me speak to the nurses and hear their ideas and see if they can help.
Well, I have to go, but I am glad I could help you, Peggy. I know the nurses can be difficult.